And let's start with Team NG.
Thank you for welcoming here on the stage. My name is George Slavchev, and I'm the co-founder of ANG Innovations. ANG Innovations is a product-oriented company specializing in professional consulting services. Our focus is on delivering innovative, high-quality solutions that drive infrastructure, sustainability, and long-term value. We turn buildings into living systems that clean the air, absorb carbon emissions, and regenerate the spaces that we inhabit. Today, we face an issue. The construction, it's killing our planet, and it's everywhere that we go. The construction industry is responsible for 39% of the global carbon emissions. Most buildings are passive, materials used today are toxic, and the cities are heating up, air quality is collapsing, and greenwashing is just not enough. And that's why we present our solution. It consists of three parts. We have moss panels, modular panels with preserved Scandinavian moss, algae bioreactors that capture carbon emissions with the help of algae. And we are also at an early stage development of BioMoss Creta, a revolutionize composite made from stabilized moss, which replaces traditional cement, captures carbon emissions, while remaining sustainable and structurally strong. The moss activation system secures long lifespan, modular, and maintenance-free. It's zero irrigation wall panels that clean the air, regulate humidity, and naturally self-repair. The algae photobioreactors are designed for facades and urban walls. It's as simple as plug-and-play photobioreactors that capture carbon and release oxygen. The where we are at with the development stage, with the moss, we are already in an advanced prototype stage, and with the algae, we are early prototype with successful biomass EU testing. The market opportunity that we have a couple of market drivers, biggest one being that the EU already mandates net zero buildings by 2030. It invests more than 4.5 trillion euro for that transition. You also have EU Green Deal, ESG frameworks, and as other factors that move towards this opportunity. Our entry strategy being, starting with EU pilots, we already have those in Spain and Bulgaria, and we're going to scale through GCC urban developments and further license technologies to architects. The existing and pilot clients that we have, the Lanzarote Sport City Hotel, biophilic facade, and algae facade integration. And this year, we also have a partnership with the municipality of Petric for constructing an eco-bus stop. We have upcoming talks with hotels, wellness centers in Bulgaria, Spain, and Portugal. The business model consists of 4 parts. We have product sales, licensing, consulting, and joint ventures. It's a circular model where all products are recyclable and regenerative. The competitive edge that ANG has is our lower production cost with up to 40% cheaper integrated moss and algae ecosystems, which no competitor currently combines, and we have strong sustainability narrative aligned with EU Green Deal and the Urban Regeneration Clause. Meet our handsome team consisting of myself as a landscaping architecture, and Atanas Rajkov as a sustainability expert, and we also have an industrial designer and a microbiologist and material engineer. We seek seed funding to attend construction forums and to complete the research of BioMoss Creta. Thank you. And I would like to invite my co-founder on stage for the Q&A section.
Please.
Thank you.
I don't believe you hear. Okay, now you hear me. So now we will have 2 minutes for our jury to pose any questions if they have. I believe you have, yeah.
Very nice presentation. Thank you very much. It's really nice. I want to ask about these moss panels. Basically, this is this decorative panels that you put in the offices, these green walls, or what is it?
So it's a combination of aluminum panels, which integrates also moss, which could be used in the interior of the buildings, but also on the outside of the buildings, and both has its singular benefits.
So like a normal sandwich panel, it can play the role.
Sorry?
It can play the role of a normal sandwich panel that you put on industrial
Buildings,
warehouses.
interiors,
And-
office buildings.
So what's your plan about costing? It will be comparable to conventional panels, or how it compare?
Our cost is very competitive to the regular panels, and more we have heating benefits, compressing, and sounding improve competitive as well.
So basically, once you scale, you will be comparable in pricing.
Yes.
Okay, great. That's it.
Congratulations for me for the great presentation. I would like to ask, where do you produce the most? Where do you take the most? What is the capacity of the production? And you mentioned that there is no need of maintenance. How you manage to do this?
In this moment, we have suppliers for the moss. We have bioreactors for the algae. In the case, we produce algae now, but we don't have already a production for the moss. This is in our future steps, and we have 20 years of 20 years of the moss to be not touchable at all.
The low maintenance means that the moss is pretty much well on its own. The only maintenance that it needs is a couple of sprays with water once a year or twice a year. I've been into landscaping myself, and I've been maintaining those walls in office buildings here in Sofia, and it requires pretty much no effort.
Is there any specific area around the world that it's not proper for this moss, like Africa or Asia or other countries?
Yes, the most part of Africa is not good for the moss.
What countries or climate?
All of the
areas?
Europe is good enough.
Yeah. I think we're out of time already. I'm sorry for anyone that had a question and couldn't pose it right now. Thank you very much. This was NG Innovation.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck.